Hello, my name is Danielle Frisbie. I'm the Chair of Community Relations. Today at our meeting, I had two things that I took away. The first being our wonderful opportunity to help Habitat for Humanity. But they still need 23 more people in order to fill the slots for the Restore this Saturday, August 6th, from either 10 to 2 or 2 to 6. And then second, it's time to party. Casino Night, our largest fundraiser, we are supporting We Fortify, which is building a tiny home village called Working Fusion that supports young adults who are trying to pivot out of poverty. Tickets are available and only $79. And don't forget to join us for our next meeting, September 7th at 9:30. We look forward to having you.